Hello po sa inyo lahat. It's me, David, and we are live. Hello po, nandito po tayo ngayon sa beautiful neighborhood ng Musashi Shinjo. Merong orange or peach. Actually, umulan po ngayon. And hindi naman umulan, umaambon pala. It's kinda umaambon po ng konti, but alam niyo naman po tayo, umaraw man or umulan, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang ating live, ang ating video, because the intention po of this video is for me to share this amazing business opportunity that we are doing called affiliate marketing while practicing po what it takes to become a successful entrepreneur. So ito po ang mga napili kong mga topics na makakatulong po sa mga taong naghahangad na maging successful sa negosyo na ito, at makakatulong po sa mga tao na gustong magpunta sa next level ng kanilang negosyo. So pinipili ko po to in the hopes of makatulong po sa mga taong nanonood tulad nyo, at isang paalala or practice rin po para sa akin in my pursuit of becoming better every single day. So yun po, let's go straight away po to our topic for today. And this is really important, and this is one of the topics po na pinag-aaralan ko po, at I'm trying my best to really become better at this. And kasi alam naman po natin in this in this time and age, sobrang daming distraction. So what am I talking about is the topic of setting boundaries. You got to set boundaries or protecting your time. Okay? First question is, what are your biggest distraction? Ngayon po sa panahon natin ngayon, social media, this day and age of internet, napakadami pong distraction because all of the companies are trying their best to get our attention. Kaya ginawa po ng Apple ang cellphone na madaling access, magkaroon ng notification, because they know your attention will make them money. Yung attention po natin will make big companies money. Diba? So it's really important na magkaroon tayo ng boundaries, maset natin ng intention na pagka sinabi natin it's work, it's work. When it's time for social media, it's social media. Okay, I'm just gonna read this. Setting boundaries po is like defining and protecting your time, energy, and values. It allows you to show up yourself without compromising. Very important po. Ako po, I'm still figuring out sometimes kung paano ako makakapag-focus, kasi hindi ko po alam kung naranasan nyo na po to, but pagka na-experience nyo yung talagang intense focus ng pagtatrabaho, or if you really want something that you really want to achieve, minsan nagkakaroon tayo ng tunnel vision. Parang nagkakaroon tayo ng harang dito at nakatutok lang tayo dun sa goal natin. But pag tumunog ang cellphone, pag merong nag-ring, pag merong notification na lumabas sa ating relo, madidistract tayo. And it's based on science na it will take our brain 15 minutes po bago po siya bumalik ulit dun sa dating focus. So it's really important na magkaroon po tayo ng boundary at maalagaan natin ang ating oras. I will give you 3 benefits or 3 tips on how to set our boundaries and protect our time. I'm not telling this because I am the perfect Mr. Boundary, no. I'm also practicing this, and I'm also learning to how to become better in setting my setting my boundaries and protecting my time. So number 1, pagka po natuto tayo na mag-set ng boundaries and natutunan natin protektahan ang ating time, number 1 benefit that we will get, it will prevent burnout. It will prevent burnout. Setting a limit on how much you can work will help, kasi meron mga tao na pag nagtrabaho hindi po sila umihinto. Umaga, umaraw hanggang mag-sunset, hindi po sila umahinto. Kailangan rin po nating alagaan ang ating health, diba? So we need to have specific boundaries. Let's say, pag sinabi natin after 1 hour, I will take a break. Pag sinabi mo after 3 hours, tatapusin mo na yung trabaho, take a break. Ang kagandahan po ng itong negosyo na ginagawa namin, hindi mo kailangan ng 8 oras, hindi mo kailangan ng 10 oras para gawin ito. Minimum 2 hours of your day. Malaking tulong na po ito para sa inyong negosyo. Pangalawa, it boosts productivity. When you are focused, it allows you to focus on high priority tasks. Pagka meron tayong boundaries, makakapag-focus tayo sa mga bagay na importante sa atin. Kung importante sa iyo ay magkaroon ng magandang diet or pumayat, focus on the things that will make it you achieve that goal, di ba? If you are focused on making money, focus on the stuff that will make you money. So magkakaroon po tayo ng parang tunnel vision and focus in achieving our goals. And number 3, pagka po nagsiset tayo ng boundaries, it's really important. It promotes work-life balance. Diba? This is also in conjunction with the number 1 na hindi po lahat ng bagay ay puro lang trabaho. I mean, there's nothing wrong if you want to work your heart off every single day. That's also good. But you have to have this balance of when to stop and when to do the work. Kasi importante rin po ang ating kalusugan. Kung pangit po ang ating kalusugan, paano tayo magkakaroon ng magandang negosyo kung hindi natin inaalagaan ang ating sarili? Diba? So yun po, I hope na I added value to your afternoon. Again, I'm doing this video, I'm doing this live, unedited raw video, because like I said, I want you guys to see the real me. I don't edit my stuff out. I may at one point, pero ngayon gusto ko pong makita nyo ang totoong ako, unedited version ng David. Kung ano po lumabas sa bibig ko, yun na po yun. I just want to be true to you, and I just want you to see the real me. Kaya ako po ito ginagawa. And in the hopes of helping people that are watching right now, if you want to have your own business and you have no idea kung anong negosyo yung gagawin, maybe this digital marketing and affiliate marketing po is the right fit for you. If you want to change or have a proper mindset, magkaroon po tayo ng path to the second level po ng ating buhay, this is the right business for you. So yun po, maraming salamat. I'm trying to keep all my videos below 10 minutes. So I'm gonna stop this right now, and I'm gonna see you guys again for my next video, which is tomorrow. Maraming salamat po, and peace. Thank you.